Over the past few years, we've certainly seen some nice resto mods, but this vivid 1967 Chevelle is definitely one of the coolest. Fully sorted and ready to hit the road, this awesome Chevy combines over 500 horsepower with vintage Detroit style that's classy enough to lead a parade. The beneficiary of a body-off restoration, this Chevelle is a sharp weekend cruiser that currently presents much better than original factory fodder. During the car's precise reboot, solid sheet metal was completely stripped of its dull original pigment. With that shell removed and its foundation massaged into great alignment, bright yellow base was sealed in mirror-like clear. Super Sport trim keeps the classic look alive, while staggered American racing wheels give it some modern flair. Peek through the tinted windows and you'll find a clean black interior that's attractive and timeless. Taut vinyl buckets are in excellent shape, showing virtually no signs of wear. A lightly customized dash hangs factory gauges next to AutoSound audio. Chevrolet-themed floor mats frame a factory console, which anchors a factory shifter behind an Equus Pro tack and sedate accessory gauges. And the driver spins a sporty Gramp steering wheel. Under the hood, you'll find 496 cubic inches of stroked Chevy big block that creates over 500 horsepower. That iron block sends its brute power through a tough 700 R4 4-speed back to a 12-bolt rear, while hooker headers and MagnaFlow mufflers help the big block roar. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money buys, you simply cannot go wrong with a tastefully upgraded muscle car. Thanks to its thorough restoration, this legendary Chevy is a great driving piece that's fun, historic, and reliable. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.